Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Pilot, and I'm thinking I'm going to mispronounce this, Kakuno fountain pen. Now, this pen is listed as the fountain pen for beginners. And I don't know if this is like a joke or if it's some kind of reference that I don't understand or just a misspelling. But they spell it as Biginners, and I suspect they at least intend to mean beginners, but I don't know if it's an intentional misspelling or not. So that part's going to be mysterious. But what it is it's supposed to be a fountain pen for kids, and I'm a big fan of kids getting their like everyday carry stuff. I just think, I know this may sound a little bit philosophical or whatever, but I think that it's important for kids to have things that are their own, like things that are theirs, that they need, that they're owners of, and they keep track of, and they take care of, and that kind of thing. And like it's like a pocket knife. A pocket knife has an aspect of responsibility attached to it. And so like if you have like your pocket knife, you take care of your pocket knife. If you go outside and you cut a bunch of vines with it, one of the things is you come in and you clean it, and because it's your pocket knife and you're supposed to take care of it. And I think that kids need things like that. Anyway, this though is supposed to be, I think, a starter fountain pen. And I also think it's a happy starter fountain pen because it has a smiley face on it. And I can't see how you can go wrong with a smiley face fountain pen. So let's see. It has some instructions on the back, a sticker that's in the way of us. Oh, there's a sticker that's in the way, and that's about it. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Speaking of pocket knives, not cutting in the right place. Open. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. So it opens up like so. And I got the orange one because I thought orange was kind of cool. And alright. So we have an ink cartridge. Looks like a pretty standard ink cartridge. And it's black. And we have some instructions, maybe? Let's see what this says. So, these are instructions on how to do things with it. Like so. Does it come with a converter? Ooh, it might come with a converter. Let's see. Does not come with a converter. Okay, so it was almost super exciting because this thing is actually relatively inexpensive. It's like $10. So it might be a really good like kid starter fountain pen. Although I kind of think you might want to just go with a Pilot Metro if you're going to do that. Because, I mean, I'm pretty partial to the Metro as a starter pen. Alright. So let's open this thing up and take a look. And let's try it out. Alright. We'll give it a second to sort of percolate. See if I can figure out anything exciting about the instructions. Well, the Happy Pen is definitely saying stuff. I just wish I understood what the Happy Pen I'm guessing it's explaining how to put in the cartridge, and it's explaining to maybe write with the top up, maybe, and to that you will sleep with the fishes if you don't, maybe. I don't know, that looks kind of grim. I don't think fountain pens generally get cement overshoes or whatever the old mafia thing was. Anyway, it is nice that you have a converter option though. So let's try this thing out. See how it writes. So it's the Pentel. Oh wait, Pilot. Kakuno. And this is a fine point. Doesn't write too bad, except for my terrible writing here. You can see a little better. So that's the Pilot. Kakuno. Fine point. It's a little bit scratchy on the paper, but it's not like bad. And again, it's like a $10 fountain pen, so it's not bad at all. Draw a house with a door and a lollipop tree and a sun. So yeah, I mean it's not bad. And for like a $10 pen, the problem with the $10 pen though is I don't know if it's the best use of the money, I guess. I feel like if you're going to spend $10, you should just spend $15 and get one of the Pilot Metros. And I mean, maybe there's a reason to get this one over that, but I'm not sure. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's neat. It's interesting looking. Maybe if you don't like clips, like you don't like clips on your pen, that kind of thing. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments, and I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. And if there's anything that you think I should check out, also you can let me know down in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.